What is the condition called where people or objects appear to be weightless? A. Hypergravity. B. Microgravity. C. Macrogravity. D. Zero gravity. The correct answer is B. Microgravity. Why should the experiment be repeated by placing the jaws at different positions of the object? A. To adjust the zero correction. B. To change the least count. C. To find the average diameter for accuracy. D. To increase the vernier scale coincidence. The correct answer is C. To find the average diameter for accuracy. Which of these fruits is not mentioned as being usable in the circuit with electrodes? A. Grapes. B. Oranges. C. Strawberries. D. Bananas. The correct answer is C. Strawberries. What type of salts cause permanent hardness in water? A. Carbonate and bicarbonate salts. B. Oxide and hydroxide salts. C. Chloride and sulfate salts. D. Nitrate and phosphate salts. The correct answer is C. Chloride and sulfate salts. What do imprints of fossils tell us about? A. Weather patterns. B. Evolution. C. Ancient plant life. D. Geological formations. The correct answer is B. Evolution. What vehicle-related issue is mentioned as a cause of road accidents? A. Eroded roads. B. Potholes. C. Tire burst. D. Crossing at wrong places. The correct answer is C. Tire burst. Which of the following devices is mentioned for forming an image in comparison with a plane mirror? A. A lens. B. A telescope. C. A pinhole camera. D. A prisma. The correct answer is C. A pinhole camera. How are social problems often portrayed by media? A. Through economic activities. B. In advertisements. C. In many cinemas. D. By private companies only. The correct answer is C. In many cinemas. What is the color of litmus in a basic solution? A. Clear. B. Red. C. Blue. D. Purple. The correct answer is C. Blue. What action follows clicking the play icon in the game instructions? A. Click the continue button. B. Scan the QR code. C. Browse the web link. D. Drag weightless things. The correct answer is A. Click the continue button. From which service will the municipal commissioner usually be appointed? A. Indian Administrative Service, IS. B. Indian Police Service, IPS. C. Indian Revenue Service, IRS. D. Indian Forest Service, IFS. The correct answer is A. Indian Administrative Service, IS. Who first identified the condition known as Down syndrome? A. Francis Crick. B. Langdon Down. C. Gregor Mendel. D. James Watson. The correct answer is B. Langdon Down. Equation 1.12 F is equal to weight is equal to mg indicates that weight is equivalent to what? A. Force multiplied by acceleration. B. Force divided by mass. C. Mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. D. Mass multiplied by force. The correct answer is C. Mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. Which hills are known as the high wavy mountains? A. Meghamlai. B. Agasthyamlai Hills. C. Javadi. D. Anaimlai Hills. The correct answer is A. Meghamlai. What concept does FR represent in the context of Pascal's principle? A. Force. B. Volume. C. Area. D. Pressure. The correct answer is D. Pressure. To convert Celsius to Kelvin, what mathematical operation is performed with the constant 273.15? A. Division. B. Addition or subtraction. C. Multiplication. D. Squaring. The correct answer is B. Addition or subtraction. What is the primary sector activity exemplified by cotton in the text? A. Its export to other countries. B. Its use in the textile industry. C. Its cultivation and harvesting. D. Its classification as a finished product. The correct answer is C. Its cultivation and harvesting. Which holy city was won by the Arabs? A. Mecca. B. Jerusalem. C. Babylon. D. Rome. The correct answer is B. Jerusalem. An eagle belongs to which class of phylum Chorta? A. Reptilia. B. Aves. C. Amphibia. D. Mammalia. The correct answer is B. Aves. Which of the following is listed as a cause of obesity? A. Viral infections. B. Autoimmune disorders. C. Bacterial infections. D. Genetic factors. The correct answer is D. Genetic factors. What is one of the core scientific concepts explored in the provided text? A. Astronomy. B. Biology. C. Magnetism. D. Geology. The correct answer is C. Magnetism. What is the top speed touched by the Gatiman Express? A. 140 km per hour. B. 180 km per hour. C. 120 km per hour. D. 160 km per hour. The correct answer is D. 160 km per hour. What type of animal is an electric eel? A. A reptile. B. An amphibian. C. A fish. D. A mammal. The correct answer is C. A fish. The property of breaking easily is described as A. Can be stretched easily. B. Bends readily. C. Gets compressed easily. D. Brittle. The correct answer is D. Brittle. What does Activity 3 instruct the reader to do with a dry cell? A. Read its label. B. Disassemble it. C. Submerge it in water. D. Charge it. The correct answer is A. Read its label. What term describes independent candidates in India's party system? A. Bi-party system members. B. Registered but unrecognized parties. C. Regional parties. D. National parties. The correct answer is B. Registered but unrecognized parties. Who constitutes the government in union territories? A. Only the Chief Minister. B. Elected representatives from political parties. C. Governor, Chief Minister, and all ministers. D. Members of Parliament only. The correct answer is C. Governor, Chief Minister, and all ministers. What is the primary focus of the lesson as indicated by the learning objectives? A. Genetics. B. Geology. C. Physics principles. D. Astronomy. The correct answer is A. Genetics. What is the approximate speed at which tsunami waves travel? A. Less than 100 kilometers per hour. B. More than 500 kilometers per hour. C. 600 kilometers per hour. D. Exactly 500 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is B. More than 500 kilometers per hour. What is the pH of a solution if its pOH is 4? A. 14. B. 4. C. 10. D. 1. The correct answer is C. 10. How did you score?